Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering is the flagship institute of JSPM Group, and we are happy to announce that RSCOE is now autonomous with effect from July 2019. All the undergraduate courses of RSCOE are accredited by NBA in consecutive 3 cycles. This is a rare feat in academic circles. Also, RSCOE is accredited by NAAC with an excellent CGPA of 3.26. We are proud to announce that RSCOE features in MHRD NIRF ranking in the band of 201 to 250 engineering colleges across India. RSCOE is closely working with industries to design an industry-centric curriculum which will enable the students to become market relevant and thus increase the employment opportunities. Industries like Tata Consultancy Services and KPIT have suggested their curriculum which is in line with industry requirements. We at RSCOE are also going to collaborate with many such companies in coming times. The project-based lab of first-year engineering promotes interdisciplinary skills among the students. PBL lab has the tools and machineries like 3D printers, laser cutting machines, drones, flexo-robotic hands, Arduino controllers, and other such devices. As an outcome of this learning, our students were able to create innovative projects like basic quadcopter, smart dustbin, obstacle detection car, traffic control system on zebra crossing, fall detection system for railway track, and many more such projects. PBL ensures problem solving skills, creative thinking, and team building skills among the students. To create globally competent candidates and to leverage on international employment opportunities, RSCOE has established its own foreign language cell which promotes languages like Japanese, German, and English. RSCOE is collaborated with various foreign universities, thus enabling faculty exchange, student exchange, and cultural exchange programs. Good number of students from first year to final year are going to visit universities from Singapore, Malaysia, and Australia in coming times. Most of the labs are designed in association with various industries. For example, Automation and Robotics Lab is designed and developed in consultation with TAL and BIM Lab in association with Bentley Systems. We are very proud to announce that RSCOE has created a history by producing 13 toppers from various branches of engineering under SPPU for the academic year 2018 and 19. The first topper, Miss Aishwarya Kulkarni, is topper across all the branches of engineering under SPPU. RSCOE has produced more than 600 offers in the academic year 18-19, which includes 250 plus offers for mechanical students. Some of our recruiters are TCS, Capgemini, Continental Automotive, Zensar, and Bosch. RSCOE has consistently delivered 100 plus offers on day one in last 5 years. This year, more than 40 students have got an offer of 18 lakhs plus, which includes few international offers. RPG Foundation trains more than 300 students every year at pre-final level on the technologies like Java, Advanced Java, MongoDB, Hadoop, and soft skills. So, to align your passion and skills towards engineering education, come and join us to experience excellent teaching learning process at RSCOE.